Good morning students. In previous class we have completed up to E answer. Now I will explain F question. Okay. Look at F question. The sum of two numbers is 8546. If one of the numbers is 2399, find the other number. Okay. Here sum I already told. Sum means addition. Yes. Now look at F solution. Sum of two numbers. How much they given? 8546. In that one number, that is first one number. What is that? 2399. Now we have to find other number. Very simple. Other number means one number given. To find other number we have to subtract total minus one number. Okay. What is that? 8546 minus 2399. Okay. Always we have to do subtraction from ones place. So what is the digit in ones place? 6. Can we subtract 9 from 6? No. So I have to take borrow. It will be 16. Here 4 will become 3. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. From 3 we cannot subtract 9. So we will take borrow. It will be 13. Here 5 will be 4. So 13 minus 9, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. Therefore 6147. Okay. This is F answer. Now look at G question. The population of a village is 9820. Okay, total population is 9820. Of these 4620 are male. Okay, male means boys. Of these 4620 are male. How many females are there in the village? We have to find girls, females. Okay. Now G answer, population of village. Population of a village 9820. Now number of male, look, 4620. We have to find number of females. Now subtract 9820 minus 4620. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. Therefore 5200 females are there. Okay. Now look at next question. What should be subtracted from 5290 to get 2245? Okay. Very simple. Subtract 2245 from 5290. You will get the answer. Look. 5290 minus 2245. From 0 we can subtract 5. No. So we will take borrow. It will be 10. Here it will be 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 3045 is the answer. Therefore, what is the question? What should be subtracted? 3045 subtracted from 5290. So we get 2245. Okay, this is H answer. Now look at fifth bit. Applying addition and subtraction story sums. A flower shop had 2665 red flowers and 3500 yellow flowers. Buckets were made using 4000 flowers in all. How many flowers are left in the shop? Look, first A answer, fifth bit A answer. Okay, number of red flowers. How many are there? 2665. Next, number of yellow flowers. Is equal to 3500. Now total number of flowers. Add these two, we'll get total number of flowers. 2665 plus 3500. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Therefore, we got 6165. Total 6165 flowers are there. From that, 4000 flowers are used for buckets. Number of flowers used for buckets. How many? 4000. Now subtract 6165 minus 4000. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. Therefore, number of flowers left in the shop. How many? 2165. Okay, this is A answer. Okay, now look at B question. In a garment shop there are 7315 garments. Out of these, 2500 are shirts, 2766 are skirts, and the remaining are trousers. How many trousers are there in the shop? Okay, now look at B answer. First, B answer, total number of garments in a shop. How many are there? 7315. Okay, from these 7315, some skirts are there, shirts, skirts and trousers. First we'll write shirts. Number of shirts. How many shirts are there? Yes, 2500. Okay, next, number of skirts. How many skirts are there? 2766. Okay, now we have to add these two. Total number of shirts and skirts. Add these two, we will get answer 2500 plus 2766. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 6, 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, 5266 are there. Total number of shirts and skirts are 5266. Now we have to find number of trousers. Very simple. Subtract 5266 from 7315. 315 minus 5266. Okay, we'll do here 15 minus 5266. From 5 we cannot subtract 6, so we have to take borrow. It will be 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. It will be 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 6, so we have to take borrow. It will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 3 will become 2. From 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. Therefore we got 2049 trousers are there. Okay, this is B answer. You have to write this subtraction here only. Here place sufficient not there, so I wrote here. Okay, this is B answer. Now look at C question. There are 1124 passengers on a train. At a station, 245 passengers got off and 189 got on. How many passengers are there on the train now? Okay, now look at C answer. First, total number of passengers. Passengers on a train. Total 1124 passengers are there. Okay. Number of passengers, passengers got off at a station. How many? 245. Okay. Number of passengers got on at a station. How many? 189. In these two, which one is more? Yes, 245 means more number of passengers got off. So we will subtract this first. 245 minus 189. From 5 we cannot subtract 9, so we will take borrow. It will be 15. Here it will be 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. From 3 we cannot subtract 8, so we will take borrow. It will be 13 and here it will be 1. 13 minus 8 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. 56 passengers got off extra. Okay. Now we have to subtract these 56 from 1124. Then we will get number of passengers are there on the train now. Right. Number of passengers are there on the train. Subtract 1124 minus 56. From 4 we cannot subtract 6, so we will take borrow. It will be 14. Here 1. 14 minus 6 is 8. And from 1 we cannot subtract 5, so we will take borrow. It will be 11. Here it will be 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. 0, 1. Therefore 1068 passengers are there now. Okay, this is C answer. Look here children, total number of passengers are 1124. From that 245 passengers got down. Okay, at that time only 189 passengers got on. Okay, now if we subtract 189 from 245, then we will get number of extra passengers got down. So they got down, so we have to do here subtraction from this number. Okay, this is C answer. Look here children, Up to now we have completed up to C answer. Now I will explain today's homework. Okay, in textbook page number 111, in previous class I have given this homework. Now I will give this second bit. Okay, I will explain 2 problems for you. You have to do this total 3. Okay, look here, look at first question. 4616 minus 1402. 4616 minus 1402. Now we have to do subtraction. Always we have to do subtraction from ones place. So 6 minus 2. Open your 6 fingers, from that subtract 2. Then we will get 4. Yes. So we'll write here 4. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. 1. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. How many left? 2. So we'll write here 2. Now 4 minus 1. 3. Therefore we got 3214. Okay. Now look at B. 6938 minus 5008. Okay. 8 minus 8. 0. So we'll write here 0. 3 minus 0. 3. 9 minus 0. 9. 6 minus 5. 1. It's very easy. Let's see. 8426 minus 315. It is also very easy. When you are writing subtraction, you have to write by their places. Okay, according to their places you have to write. Ones place under ones place, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. Okay, 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 will be 8. Now look at D question. 9938 minus 32 given. 32 is a 2-digit number and 9938 is a 4-digit number. So we'll write 32 here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have to write here 32. Ones, tens. Okay. 8 minus 2, 6. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 will be written as this. 9 will be written as this. Therefore 9906. Okay. Now you have to do these remaining problems. Wait, I will explain E also. 7216 minus 3678. From 6 we cannot subtract 8. So we will take borrow. It will be 16. Here this one will become 0. 16 minus 8. 8. From 0 we cannot subtract 7. So we have to take borrow. It will be 10. Okay. When we are giving here, these two will become 1. Okay. 10 minus 7 is 3. And from 1 we cannot subtract 6. From 1 chocolate we cannot take 6. So you have to take borrow. It will be 11. Here 7 will become 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. 6 minus 3, 3. Therefore we got 3538. Up to E answer I only said. So you have to write remaining problems in your file notes. Okay. Complete this total bit in your file notes. This is your homework. If possible, you can do check also. Let's see. You have to write difference. What answer you got, you have to write here 3538. And you have to write here middle number 3678. Now here we did subtraction. For check we will do addition. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 here, 2 will be here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Therefore 7216. Look here, 7216 is a ace. So this answer is correct. Okay. Do these subtractions and check the answer by addition. Okay. Do these all, for these all problems, check the answer by addition. Okay. Do this total bit. This is your homework. Okay. While you are writing 2-digit numbers, be careful. You have to write in ones and tens place only. For 3-digit numbers, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, under this you have to write. Write carefully and neatly. Thank you.